Alright, so previously we made something like this, okay? But right now the annotation, which is just a simple text that the Copilot automatically generated, so thanks Copilot for it. But I want more like a customization. This is like a so crude. Of course, if you're like a root for this style, you can do it. Of course, you can do it. But yeah, I want to play around with it a little bit. I want to add a really small sub view here. So you got a like a separator, because right now if you remove it here, the text over here and the daily average steps above is not so good when you like cram everything together, so it become really hard for you to actually see it. So what I'm thinking is that maybe there's a way to where's the annotation? Yeah, so annotation. Yeah, let me just open this so you got like more places. Or I don't know whether you guys can actually see this clearly. If you can, that's good. But if you can't, I think maybe it's better to just editing. What's that? Theme. Yeah, maybe just the decrease the value, right? So maybe just 12 or something like that. So it's much more readable. It's not like too big for you to actually see things. Okay, and yeah. Yeah, why there's like a line here? What the heck? Okay, maybe it's like a really small screen, but something like this. Okay, I have no idea why this inline comparison. Okay, so it's like invisible warp line. Invisible. Okay, but why there's like a line in here? Okay. Oh, okay. It doesn't really matter. It's just and yeah. And why this? Okay, this is just simply out of my control. So can I just get something like the classic dark view, so it's much smaller than this? And I think, yeah, this looks kind of good, but why the text looks weird? Let's add invisible warp line. Okay, maybe I need to like restart this again. Sorry about that. But yeah, it doesn't really matter. Let's continue. Because I don't need Xcode to write the code. I need Visual Studio Code to write the code. So yeah, sorry about that. So basically, I need to find the annotation. Notation here. Pick your ground star rounded. Yeah, annotation, right? Chart annotation. Inside annotation, we get this text. So what about I just comment the text out and make it a subview? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is to instead of showing the text, you can say, yeah, all that, and got something inside, and that will be the annotation view. Annotation, right, subview or something like that. Okay, and annotation subview will be a V stack. Yeah, that's good. Vertically, and we got this. Yeah, instead of doing that, of course you can do this. You can obviously you can do this, but that is just a simple text. It will be like exactly the same as before. I don't want that. Yeah, but I think if you use this, it got some of the modifier, like a foreground, the background modifier. I think maybe it can sort of work. So I'm going to accept this and just try it out. Okay, I have no idea whether it will work or not, and this okay, cannot find like viewing scope. Okay, so yeah, there will be like a sub view. So I'm going to get rid of this, cut it. Okay, just to call a simple navigation view. Let's just save it here. Go back to here because this just looks so much better. The Xcode is just like a I don't know whether it's they do that intentionally or not, but just seems pretty rubbish to me. Sorry about that, Xcode. If you like come better, I would definitely going to say nice things about you. Okay, so let me just add a var of annotation here. Okay, maybe just like start from scratch. So annotation sub view or view. Yeah, I'm in view, so I can get some view. Selected matrix. Why don't you just give me selected matrix? Okay, let me just say some view, and we got a V stack. Yeah, let me just do that manually. So V stack, and we got some alignments. Let's just align that to leading. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and okay, let me accept this and check out the date. So like the date will be formatted default digit date. Yeah, or empty. Foreground color, and steps will be selected house data or value, and formatted. Do I have the format or not? Yeah, I have a bad feeling about this. So first, I'm going to make it. Can get back some like presentation. Okay, let me just use presentation for this one. Okay, and I'm going to run this. Content view does not conform. Okay, then maybe there's parentheses problem here. Orientation view, some view. No, we're referring to that. Okay, maybe there's like a lacking parentheses. Okay, I'm going to like reformat this bit. Okay, definitely there's a lacking of parentheses. Select this, reformat. Yeah, maybe that will do. Yeah, I don't know why just like Copilot constantly like get rid of. Okay, that looks pretty good. So it got a like a formatted date as well as step. There's like no. Yeah, I got this like a foreground opacity. Yeah, but I want like a like a placeholder, like a shape. Okay, I'm going to test it another method. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of hack here. So instead of just adding a shape somewhere here, or maybe a Z stack, something like that, we can simply grab this navigation, annotation view, right? We grab this and we add a background. As simple as that. So maybe we got a V stack, right? So the V stack, that's the right now all compassing thing. So what I'm gonna do is the V stack dot and add a add a padding. That won't do. And then background add a background opacity 0.1. That will be good. As long as you add opacity, you can see that immediately. So let's go back here, run this, and just wait. Yeah, that's opacity I'm talking about. But kind of like overlap. So maybe that's because of the padding. So you have to separate a little bit. Okay, just to separate this a little bit, and yeah, I need to like fine tune this. So let's go back here. Maybe not make it like a V stack. Right now it's just as like a V stack. Maybe a edge stack will be good enough. And leading. Okay, let's save this. Go back here. Okay, so S coding. Right now it's just like a actually I do not have a leading, so let's try something. Center spacing. Okay. So maybe the XCode right now just become like a merciless building machine. Yeah, but still, I think we got like a little bit spacing here, so you got just a little bit weird. So maybe the best solution right now is to make it like an offset, make it down a little bit. Okay, so down a little bit so it do not overlap with the steps. Okay, so yeah, let's try to do that. Just to play around with this a little bit. Yeah, I want to do a little bit overhaul, because if you don't want this to overlap with the top of step, there's a way of doing that. Just to get this frame, I'm going to search this frame, height of 500, which is way too much. I'm going to make a 300. Save this. Go back here, run, and want to like eyeball this. Okay, that's good. So we got empty space down below. So I think it's good place to add, because you already got the date information here. You don't want to look at date information, but still you need to look at the average step information. So maybe I just make it down. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's search for annotation. Okay, annotation view. Yeah, here position top. So this is like an auto-generated position, but can we change that to like to the bottom? Come on, there is like a no button here. Can I just okay? Bottom. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Okay, run this, and it will push the whole floating back to the bottom. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So date and step. Maybe adding a little bit of offset. So button overflow resolution spacing chart fit to chart. Fit to chart, that's good. But what about an offset? Okay, offset. Okay, so yeah, one last adjustment. Yeah, I'll fine tune adjustment later. Right now, things already got this to the bottom, but as you can see, it's kind of still overlap a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit of spacing. So basically, it's like an offset from main chart, and I got stuck, and I don't know why. Let me add a 20, just to just to be safe, and go back here, run this, and let's see the result. Yeah, that's way better, and I believe I can sort of like get rid of the padding as well. But right now, padding, let's get rid of this, increase opacity. Okay, this is like last time I changed this. I don't want to like spend too much time on this thing. So yeah, just as long as it works and all this basic functionality works, so that's already good enough for me. Okay, so it's like edges of this, good enough. Maybe 0.2. Okay, 0.2 or 0.1. Okay, I think it's like maybe a little bit too much. Maybe 0.1. Okay, that's the last time I change. Promise. Okay, that's good enough for me. Yeah, so we got this, not only got this annotation, but also we got this like annotation. We customize it, and we adding a little bit, customization, as well as like a frame, but I can actually show. Yeah. Okay. Here comes your my own habit. Okay. I'm going to make it top, but instead of add spacing 0, can I add a spacing of the minus? Just push it down to 10. Okay. Just want to show that how versatile this customization is. Because I think it's kind of looked weird. Okay, still looks pretty good, right? You can see that, but yeah, but still, yeah, I changed my mind. Bottom and spacing to 20. Okay, because then I realized that we got like a lot of line above, so yeah, maybe just stick to the bottom. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye.